Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So, in this video we are going to see how from staff profile how he can receive the payment and how admin can verify that amount in Jainam Software. So, just have a look. So, from the HR management employee list, I have created some staffs. So here you can see I have created some staffs and I have assigned customer from here customer all list. Here I will just refresh. So from here you can see this customer is assigned to Sandeep. So this type I have created some customers and assigned to different staffs. Now let's check the passbook of this customer. So I will click on the view passbook. So here you can see I have created some deposits and loan for this customer. Now if I open this loan number 153, so this amount we need to receive from this staff, this customer. So now staff will go for collection. Let's see what happened. Just sign out from here and log in as a staff profile. So here I will log in as a staff and this is staff profile you can see. So field collection, loan collection list. So that staff already collected 1133 from here. And here deposit collection list you can see. So deposit also 1000 he has collected. Now you can collect from here 500, that 500 you can collect remaining. So we have the staff received 500 from Reshma Singh, deposit number 25. Now just sign out from here and log in as a admin profile. So here you can see this is admin profile. Now from the collection report, collection by staff, I will just refresh here. So you can see 1000 he has already collected and 500 now we had collected as a login from staff profile, and loan also 1133 he has received. So from here we can verify this amount also. So here I will just click or verify. So you can see I have verified this amount, that admin can verify this amount. So this type in field collection staff can go and do collection without any machine or using any printer. So this is the Jainam software and it helps in our business. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back, and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.